Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own half wig, which is perfect for that super trendy headband wig look that has been circulating all over YouTube and Instagram. So if you're just looking for something to throw on and go, this is the wig option for you. The hair in this video was provided by Sunber Wigs, and the link to get this will be in the description bar below. Let's get into this tutorial.
When I get you back, oh yeah.
So the hair we're going to be using today is Passion Twist crochet hair extensions, 18 inches, and it is synthetic water wave braiding hair, Bohemian crochet braids, and it's a pack of 6 in the color T1B27, and you can get this on Amazon for $32.99 from Sunber store. Each pack of hair contains around 16 individual twists, and you also receive a complimentary wig cap and a crochet needle, along with jewels for you to fancy up this hairstyle if you so wish. I'm going to be going in with a wig cap that I got from Amazon. Honestly, you guys, I wouldn't recommend this wig cap because if you can see right here, it's a little bit difficult to get the crochet needle through the cap because the mesh holes are so tiny. So I would really recommend you trying to get another wig cap. I'm gonna be putting a shot right now of the wig cap that I would actually recommend for this style. But overall, it's really easy to do this. You just literally run the crochet needle with the hair through the mesh, make a loop, tie your knot, fluff out the hair, and that's it. Be sure, however, to space the hair out a little bit at the back because we really want most of the fullness to be at the front so that it will cover any gaps.
'Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah, I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah.
So this is the hair, the unit right now after around 4 packs of hair, and I just basically have this part left to do, and I'm not gonna be carrying the hair all the way to the front of the cap, so I really just kind of folded it over because remember our headband is gonna, by my estimation, go like here. So the front of my hairline is going to be out, and then the headband is going to take up a little bit of area right there, so we really don't need hair there.
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Okay, so at this part I actually stopped and I tried on the wig just to make sure everything was looking okay, and trust me, the volume was looking pretty scary compared to my small head. So I'm just going in with some mousse to kind of flatten the top of the hair and to kind of tame the curls a bit so that they're not as fluffy. And that did actually work. You're gonna see me later on just tying down the unit with a scarf to kind of set this overnight on my mannequin head just to make it nice and flat when I'm ready to actually go forth and wear it into the world. Okay, so here is our finished look after around an hour or so of putting in these twists. So it was super quick, trust me you guys. If you buy this pack of hair, it will be the easiest hairstyle that you'll ever have to make and to actually put on to go through the door. So in this portion of the video, I'm just going to be playing some music and just showing you how I style this half wig with my scarf. So I'm going to be showing you around 4 different looks that you can pull off to just put on and go right through the door, honey. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any one of my videos. There's also a comment section below that you can go ahead and leave a comment, ask me any questions that you may want, and interact with me. Until next time, it's your girl Anne. Bye.
When I get you back, oh yeah, I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh. When I get you back, oh yeah. 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 I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it. I know you need it. Love is it when you're around.